Yeah, so the tides are intense. Okay, so look where the tides are right now. Like 2-3 hours ago, all this water was up here, past this, up onto this stairway, and it was rushing across the stairs. It just shows you a few hours. These tides were intense. They were insane. They always were. So, oh my god, yeah. Imagine trying to not only not die, but trying to mess with these tides.
We are Americans. We've came here to say hello to all of you. Oh, we've even got some coming in the back there. How are you guys doing today?
Oh, you needed to go to the bathroom, didn't you?
Oh, someone's peeing. Okay. Oh, we've got a leader of the pack here.
Hi. Okay, so we're doing this like flight simulator thing where they have like a plane and we get to relive the D-Day in an airplane.
Me, or that looks like
Bruce Willis?
Yes.
Yo, Bruce Willis, what are you doing in there?
Comments though.
Soldiers, I need your attention. If the weather forecast is confirmed, in 5 minutes, you will be in the air, heading for France. You understand me? This is not an exercise. Tonight, we will be dropping over Normandy. You might as well call it California, or Kentucky, or West Virginia, my own state. Because we're fighting for something bigger than all that. A place with no borders, and no limits. It's called liberty. If we should fail here and now, it will be our countries, our homes, our people, and the rest of the world who will fall and be trampled by the boots of fascism. Now, let's turn our attention to the mission. Our objective is Carentan. As you can see from the map, this village is a crossroads for multiple lines of communication. It is extremely strategic as it is between 2 U.S. landing beaches, Omaha and Utah. We must seize control, hold, and defend this position until our infantry can relieve us. We will be flown in by Colonel Krebs of the 440th Troop Carrier Group, consisting of 45 aircraft made up of 4 squadrons. We will be the 16th and last in our division to drop. This means, by the time we hit the ground, the element of surprise will be long gone. So, be ready for the welcoming committee. And just in case you're wondering where I'll be, look at the first aircraft right ahead of you. Tomorrow will be the 6th of June, 1944. I can guarantee you this will be a date remembered throughout history. Failure is not an option. There is no one coming after us. The fate of the world is in our hands. Here and now.
Hailey just impressed us all. So we were looking for this restaurant, basically. It's a small town in Carentan, but this girl was like, hey, check out this place. She gave us the name and the address, but we don't have a GPS. So we were like, okay, based on the name alone, we're going to find this restaurant in this city, little town. And Hailey, out of nowhere, at a left field, goes,
there! Like, really, like, loud. And he's like, what? And I was like, it's the blue place. And then he was like, oh,
I was like, impossible. There's no way you found it.
And it's even in cursive, too.
Yeah.
And everything, it was with an L here, okay? So, or la, or ol, whatever the L makes in French. Okay, and the S doesn't even look like an S. That looks like an infinity sign with a tail.
We never look nice when we go out to eat. Hailey got the fish and the cheese. Starter fish dish and cheese to finish, and then I got starter meat dish. It's like chicken and dessert to finish, and we're sort of gonna share the two, so it's like a 6-course meal for us. For the price, 10 out of 10, right? $25 for a 3-course meal, 4-course meal, lobster bisque, you know? You're getting awesome things. You're getting really good quality stuff. And then the customer service, the ladies in there were great. They didn't speak much English, but they still tried their best, and they got everything that we needed. So that was awesome. So, I mean, the place is very good. And on a budget, it's awesome. And if you're in Carentan, if you're in Carentan,
Carentan. Check it out next time.
Back to Bayou.